In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a YouTube video link. Whether you want to share a funny clip with a friend, send a tutorial to a colleague, or save a video link for later, knowing how to properly copy a YouTube video link is really useful. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps, nice and slowly, so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to YouTube's website. Make sure you're signed in if you're accessing your own YouTube dashboard or channel, but you can also do this with any public video. Once you're on YouTube, navigate to the video you want to share. This could be from your subscriptions, your home feed, your own uploads, or even a video you've searched for. When you've found the video, move your mouse over the video thumbnail or the video itself. Look towards the bottom of the video area. You should see a row of icons or options. What you're looking for is a small icon with 3 vertical dots, usually found near the bottom left or just below the video. These 3 dots represent more options. Click on those 3 dots. As soon as you do that, a small menu will pop up. In this menu, look for the option that says Share. This is the option that allows you to share the video in different ways, including copying the direct link. Go ahead and click on Share. This will open a new panel or small window, usually in the center or just below the video. In that panel, you'll see several sharing options, like sharing to social media platforms, sending via email, or embedding the video. Among these options, you'll notice a box that contains a URL, which is the direct link to the video, and a button labeled Copy. Now, click on the Copy button. When you click it, YouTube automatically copies the video link to your device's clipboard. You won't always see a big confirmation message, but on most browsers you might briefly see a small notification that the link has been copied. At this point, you're done. You can paste that link wherever you need it, in a message, an email, a social media post, or a document. Just use the standard paste command on your device, and the exact YouTube video link you copied will appear.